I have a brand new update for the Divi 5 Mastery course. So let's check it out. The latest module that I've just added is called Mastering the Theme Builder. Now, this is a very important part of the Divi Builder because this is where you get to design templates that are used across the whole website. These are your 404 pages, your headers, your footers, your blog pages, your blog page, and so on. And even when you add plugins like WooCommerce, you can also create templates in there. For example, you can create a template that controls all your products. So mastering this part of Divi is a must. And a lot of designers miss this part because it's a bit challenging and it feels intimidating. But I break it down in a very easy to understand way in this module. So as you can see here, we create a basic header. We also create a sticky header. And we get to design a footer. We also design a footer from pre-made layouts. Not only do you have to design everything from scratch, but you can use the existing layouts in Divi. Now, if you want to design websites with blogs, I also show you how to design custom blog pages. You may think that it's easy to add your content straight on to your blog post by going into the Divi Builder. Now, after creating the blog template, most designers go into the blog itself and start using the Divi Builder. Well, that is a big mistake because that is a recipe for disaster. I show you exactly how to add your blog post the correct way. So you may be asking, well, Mac, how much is this course? Well, it's only $27. But as I'm adding new modules, the price is going to go up. In fact, in 24 hours, the price has to go up now to $47. So this is your opportunity to get this course for only $27. So does that mean that when I add new modules, you're going to be charged extra? Well, absolutely not. Once you pay $27, this course, as it develops, you don't have to pay extra at all. And this is a must-have course if you're someone who's deciding to purchase Divi as your page builder, because this course will teach you everything that you need to know about Divi, saving you hours of going on the internet and YouTube just to find how these features work. So everything is all in one place, and in a very short time, you'll be able to master Divi and design amazing websites. So go ahead, check it out. It's only $27. The link to that is in the video description below. Very soon, I'll be adding more modules, so keep an eye on your email.